Introducing the Smeg Digital Kitchen Scales, the perfect accessory for your kitchen, offering precision, style and convenience. It's lightweight with a refined design, featuring a brushed aluminium panel and a matte coloured surface, making it a real statement in the kitchen. Cleaning could not be simpler. The 1.8 litre stainless steel bowl is not only removable for easy cleaning, but it's also dishwasher safe. Alternatively, it can be washed with warm soapy water before drying it thoroughly and returning back to the scales. The base unit can be easily wiped down with a soft damp cloth and a mild detergent. With its LED display and aluminium buttons, the appliance brings a modern and sophisticated touch to your kitchen, adding both functionality and style. With a maximum capacity of 5 kg and a measuring accuracy of 1 gram, Smeg's kitchen scales allow you to weigh any ingredients with absolute precision. From professional bakers to everyday cooks, precision is key to achieving brilliant results. The tare feature resets the bowl's weight, allowing you to weigh ingredients without starting from scratch. You can even select up to 4 measurement units and perform conversions, offering the flexibility needed for any recipe. Thanks to the rechargeable 36-hour lithium-ion battery, Smeg's digital scales are an excellent solution for those seeking convenience and reliability. The USB charging cable eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements, while the automatic standby mode reduces energy consumption by turning off the scale whilst it's not in use. This feature not only extends the battery life, but also promotes a more eco-friendly approach in the kitchen. The Smeg digital scales are a stylish and practical assistant in the kitchen, available in 3 beautiful colourways to suit your home. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.